Hi guys, it is another beautiful day. How are you doing? Hope you're enjoying yourself. So we're bringing you another beautiful content today, another exciting food on Surrogate, sponsored by Goldmine Aroma. Today we are making bitter leaf. But let's start with this. Introduce you to the ingredients and tell you what to do first. I'll explain. Let me start from this bitter leaf. See, this bitter leaf is still green, very green. When you want to buy your bitter leaf frozen, make sure you look at the pack very well and see that it's still green. The difference is either you get the fresh one, cut it, squeeze it very well until that bitterness get out of it, until you start feeling a slight taste of bitterness, very slight, or you almost don't feel anything at all. That is how to make a bitter leaf soup. Or you boil it on fire severally with a little salt, either by squeezing, you put salt in it, you squeeze it with warm water, you sieve it, or you boil it on water. So I'm going to cut it in bits now. Instead of squeezing, I cook it on fire severally to sieve out the bitterness in it. So that until you don't feel, when you taste it, you don't feel any taste at all in it. And guys, what I'm using to cook my bitter leaf today is Banga fruit extract. And I'm going to tell you about this now. Here, the Ghana taste is the best, because most of this Banga pulp, sometimes you find sand underneath it. I'm not joking. Wherever you buy your Banga pulp from, I buy most of my grocery from Wazobia. So by me using this pulp, I won't need to use oil again, and I won't need to use a thickener. If you use the red oil, you will need a thickener like AD, which is a cocoyam, or any other thickening agent that you love to use with your normal oil. But with this, you don't need AD, you don't need any thickening agent, and this one does it too. So with Banga pulp, you don't need red oil, you don't need a thickener. Do you get it, guys? I'm still gonna make a very elaborate explanation at the descriptive, bet you me. So the first thing we do is I go ahead and cut my bitter leaf. Since I told you I don't like the long grains, I don't like the long leaves, I go ahead and chop it, cook and sieve. So you continually sieve it out this way, sieve it out, pour it back in the pot, put another fresh water, put it on fire. Run cold water on it so that the bitterness can go as fast as you want. Yes, this is the meat, the tendon, the shaki, the fish. Those are my grilled fish, those are dry fish. And let me tell you guys, this is a local soup, so most time it goes with goat meat. It needs, like this soup really, it's best when it goes with it. This is it. And see, we're done. I actually sieve out this water, this is the third time. So when you see this water, when we put it into water the first time, is green. The water looks so green, so this is so light. The water is so light now, and the taste will make you know that the bitterness has drastically reduced. So I still squeeze it out. So when you cook it, guys, you will understand what I'm trying to do. You will see that the bitterness will show so much. Oh, now you have a hint of bitterness. My next step is my butterscotch. Check it. Checking it by putting it into some warm water. Oh, 7.5 ml of my soup seasoning. Goldmine Aroma Soup seasoning. Okay, in another 15-20 minutes, the leaves goes into it, and that's all. Guys, the ofe onugbu, all my Igbo brethren, the ofe onugbu is ready now, and all my friends home and abroad. Oh, look at it! I'm just salivating now. I can't wait to eat it with your grits, your rice, your pando yam, or any of your swallow. Guys, this is good. So thank you very much for viewing today on Surego. Kindly share, subscribe, like, put on your notification button, and guys, don't forget, we are a phone call away. We deliver all around the states, the United States. You deliver, we'll meet you at your doorstep. Thank you guys, till I see you in another video. Thank you, thank you, thank you.